Hey guys, Mukin Eyes here. Want to do another video? I just installed the APR lip splitter, as you can see at the bottom, and got the splitter rods installed as well behind this, and got a washer behind it too as well. See this side, yeah, it's good. But yeah, it's always good to it's always good to tighten your washer, because sometimes the washer is loose. For me, I just do it by taking the bumper. So I screws like if I could get the bottom. You see the screws there, screw over there. I installed like 6 screws so it could hold. And so 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Yeah, I should have used the nut in the washer, but I just having trouble trying to take the, what do they call it, this fog light lamp, where there's like a little attachment that's stuck, and I didn't know how to take out the connector and stuff like that. So I finally know how to take it out, because on the forum they told me to use the little clamp. Just go inside the hose and take it from there, but I'll do it next time. But beside that, you can see I got the splitter installed, APR. You guys wondering why there's so many holes? Because I got it used, so I got it for like $140. So yeah, I had to travel to Tampa just to go get it, but it's worth it. This is a 2015 to 2020 STI APR splitter, and you can see got new wheels too as well. These are 20-inch STR 245 30 or 20. It'll look sexy as hell. See, it's you see like the wheel go inside. It's very nice. And show you guys. This is the back, how it look. Zoom in. Yeah. Look really good. I love it. But yeah, I'm planning to get a new camera soon, so stay tuned. Right now I'm using my phone, so yeah, the image is not gonna be great. But yeah, I'm planning to wrap my car as well. So I'm wrapping it like the red Galaxy wraps. I just ordered it. I just weighing it so I could wrap the whole car into Galaxy. But yeah, guys, I guess that's it for now. But that should be my next mod. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And peace out.